Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, through this video I am going to teach you about situational past indefinite. Okay, I am not talking about any kind of identification in Hindi or any other regional language. Just think about situations guys. In what situation you have to use past indefinite. Okay, see, for past indefinite there should be a past time. This past time could be anything. It could be yesterday, it could be day before yesterday, it could be last week, it could be few seconds ago. So whatever the time has been given, yesterday, day before yesterday, whatever the time has been given, in that time whatever the activities were done by the subject, that has to be spoken using past indefinite. Let me tell you, I am a subject, I am in front of you, I am a subject. Okay, and let's assume that this is the matter of yesterday. Okay, so I am going into past, yesterday. So when it was yesterday, so yesterday was present for me. Now this is present time, and if I am talking about yesterday, yesterday is past. I am standing in present, and if I am talking about yesterday, yesterday is past. But if I am going into yesterday, now this is yesterday, so this is present for me. Right now this is present for me. This is my yesterday. Are you getting what I am saying? I am not making you confused guys. I mean to say, I am standing here, I am talking to you, this is my present time. But if I am telling you a story about my yesterday, so I am going to show you what happened yesterday. So this is my yesterday, and what I did I am going to tell you. Suppose right now I am watering some plants. You know, as you can see that I am watering some plants. These are the garlic plants and I am watering them. Okay, so if suppose this is the present time, so you can see that activity is going on. I am doing something, I am watering the plant. That's okay. This, it was one activity I have shown you. Now if I talk about second activity, suppose as you can see that I am plucking some leaves. You know, see, I have plucked some leaves. So this is the second activities you have seen. Fine, let me show you another activity guys. I just want to prove you the situational thing. As you can see, some gravels are here with me. These are some gravels, and I am playing with the gravels. I am playing with the gravels. So these are the activities which I did. Now I am coming to you. Now I am standing in present, and I have to narrate you a story about past whatever I did. So my past time is yesterday. So yesterday, how many activities I did? The first activity was watering the plants. The second activity was plucking the leaves, and the third was playing with the gravels. Now if I want to narrate the story, I have to use V second, verb second form. So I will say that yesterday I watered the plants. I have to say I am a subject. I will call myself I watered, second form. I watered the plants. Then what was my second activity? This one, plucking leaves. Then I would say after that I plucked some leaves. Plucked, second form. I have to use second form. I plucked some leaves. And what was the third activity? I was playing with some gravels. So I would say that then I played with some gravels. I played, second form. Are you getting what I'm saying? So in any past time, whatever you did must be spoken using V second. Subject, whoever the subject was there, take the name of the subject and use V second. So you have to narrate a story. Whatever you did yesterday, you have to explain those things. Like yesterday, I got up around 6 o'clock in the morning. You know, after that I got fresh. I went to market. I bought some milk. I came back to my home. Can you see second form? I went into the kitchen, I made tea, I took tea, my father took tea. After that, I went to my college. So whatever you did, whatever the subject did in any past time, that is past indefinite, and that must be spoken using V second. This is what I want to teach you guys. So this is past indefinite. Are you getting what I'm saying? So whatever you did, second form, got it? So you have to create a story. Suppose you are a beginner, then what you have to do is just think about those activities, 10 or 15 or 50 activities which you did either yesterday, day before yesterday, five days back, last week, and try to make some sentences and speak out using second form. Got it? So this is all, guys. I hope you must have understood this. So it is past indefinite, only positive sentences. Once you're okay with this, once you're whiz at making sentences, I mean, creating that story using second form, then I'll teach you about how to do conversation using did not. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much. I believe you must have liked it. See you in another episode, guys. Thank you, everybody.